If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com.
QuickBooks Online lets you submit feedback on features or report software bugs. To submit feedback in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Feedback link under the Profile heading in the menu that then appears. A small feedback box then appears from the Settings button and shows a Share Your Feedback text field. Enter your feedback or report the bug in this text field. Alternatively, to close it, click the X button in its upper right corner. To attach a file or include a screenshot of the current page with the feedback, click the camera icon in the lower left corner of the text field. This is helpful when reporting problems. After clicking the button, then click either the Snap Screenshot button to take a screenshot of the current screen, or click the Choose a File button to open a dialog box that lets you select the file to upload. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to cancel adding either. After taking a screenshot or uploading an attachment, it appears in the lower left corner of the feedback text field. You can click the X button on its name to remove it if needed. To then send your feedback, click the Next button.
Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.